In this video, I am going to show you how to activate your Cash App card quickly and easily. The Cash App card is a debit card that allows you to spend your Cash App balance anywhere that accepts Visa. First, ensure that you have received your Cash App card in the mail. If you haven't ordered one yet, open the Cash App on your phone, tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen, and follow the prompts to order your Cash Card. Once you have your Cash App card, open the Cash App and log into your account. Tap on the card icon again to access the Cash Card section. You should see an option that says Activate Cash Card. Tap on it to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to either scan the QR code on your Cash Card using your phone's camera or enter the CVV number, the 3-digit code on the back of the card. If you choose to scan the QR code, align the code within the camera frame, and the app will automatically recognize it. If you prefer to enter the CVV manually, type in the code and tap Activate. Once your card is activated, you'll receive a confirmation message, and you can start using your Cash App card to make purchases in-store or online. That's it! You've successfully activated your Cash App card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.